Doesn't this fly awesome? It's 2-channel! $22. I got it. Yeah, I mean, look, I'm not even looking at it. I mean, like, it's so stable. You don't have to look. I mean, like, I'm just turning. I'm turning. Let go. It just stabilizes. And then coming down, decrease the power. I decrease the power, so it's coming down. See? $23. Come on, $22.65. I'm sorry, and paid $2 for shipping. They have A380? Oh, really? Holy cow! Is that like this, like small and? Oh, I should look at. I'm getting a big fan of these two. I know. I mean, I'm getting really intrigued about these 2-channel airplanes. I mean, look at the stability. And it's coming like towards us, like into the wind. Yeah, it is, and it looks like a larger airplane. And then I think they have a lighted version as well, because when I was putting it together, it has 2 little connectors for lights on its board. Then it says lights on, but it didn't come with lights. But if I find a version with lights, I'm going to buy it, because I can night fly it then. This is awesome. I know on high rate it turns like much quicker. Look, do you see how good it turns on high rate? I mean, it loses a little bit of altitude, but I mean, look. And then it does not like do the purposing. I mean, it's quite stable. I'm really amazed how stable this is. I'm really amazed. I mean, come on, 2-channel. Yeah. Oh yes, those silver things, right? Bye, Ryan. You know, when it comes back down in price, I'm going to buy like 3-4 of these and then just keep them as stocking stuffers. Oh, no battery. The battery cut off very quickly. Over here, it just landed itself. Just ran out of battery, but hey, it just landed itself. Yeah, one piece. This is cool. If it gets back down to this price, I'm going to buy a couple and keep them like to give people as presents. Yeah. They're great. I mean, amazing flying, and it's 2-channel. I cannot believe it's 2-channel. Seriously, so stable. I love it. I love it.